Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with real catalysts. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Vanda Pharmaceuticals, ticker VNDA, a biopharma company developing innovative therapies for high unmet needs, with commercial products like Heat Leos for sleep disorders and Fanapt for schizophrenia, plus a promising pipeline led by Tradipitant. 2025 has brought key regulatory wins. On December 4th, the FDA lifted a partial clinical hold on tradipitant studies for motion sickness, paving the way forward. This builds excitement for potential NDA approval. Analysts eye a $670 million market opportunity if cleared. Q3 results impressed with 18% net product sales growth to 56.3 million. Shares have surged over 60% since mid-November, recently trading around $7 with strong buy ratings and targets near 14. While FDA momentum and revenue strength, VNDA is gaining traction. Sorry, that was my cat if you heard her. Approval catalyst ahead? Share your thoughts below. Buy, hold, or watch. Like for more biotech updates, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Now, guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. My cat wants to talk. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.